In today's world of capitalism, you got to read the fine print. In advertising, you'll see something like, hey, it's $60 to rent a boat. So you got $60 in your pocket, you're feeling good, you're going to go rent the boat, but it's $10 for the safety course that is mandatory before you rent the boat. So what do? You don't rent the boat, or you go home and you ask mom and dad for $10. Anyhow, today's problem, my name is Paul Pasolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center on ivymasters.com, and we're looking at Test 5, Section 3, Number 16, which reads, Maria plans to rent a boat. The boat rental costs $60 per hour, and she will have to pay for a water safety course that costs $10. Maria wants to spend no more than $280 for the boat rental and the course. If the boat rental is available for only a whole number of hours, what is the maximum number of hours which Maria could rent the boat? So, we have our $280 that she's going to be spending. First thing we need to do is we've got to subtract our 10, and because she's got to spend that $10 on that safety course, the fine print. And now if it's $60 an hour, what we're going to do is we're going to divide that 270 by 60. And if we had this as a fraction, let's say we had 270 over 60, we could chop the zeros off. And actually you could do it from a fraction just like this. 6 goes into 27, it's going to go 4 times, and then you're going to have 3 left over, 3 over 6. That's going to be 4.5. Now, what are you bubbling as your answer? Are you going to bubble in 4? Or are you going to bubble in 5? Now, ordinarily you would round up, bubble in 5, but she doesn't have enough money. She can only take it 4 hours, so she's going to have a little money left over. So my point is, when you're dividing, if they both end in 0, you could still chop them off, and you could just divide 6 into 27. That would be a little bit easier. It goes 4 times, you get 24, you subtract, you get your 3. And then to change it to a fraction, this would be 3 over 6, which again would reduce to 1/2. So your correct answer here is 4. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has difficulty setting up these weird kind of word problems. If there are any questions you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, you can leave that in the comments. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. One more way you could have done it, which would be, it's going to be 10 plus 60 times x if x is the number of hours, and that's going to equal your $280. So this is where you're setting it up like a linear equation. And then if you subtract 10 from both sides, you get 60x equals 270. Then you divide both sides by 60, and the finish is the same. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.